There is no letup from the excess precipitation. An enhanced southwest monsoon has been dumping all across the nation over the last week and a half. A reported 500 millimeters of rain were equal to a typical month's worth of rainfall, which fell in a span of 9 days, which has drenched the megacity and elsewhere in widespread flooding. And in the city and the valley, LGU officials led by Mayor Teodoro are keeping close tabs on the Marikina River, whose water level has climbed to an alarming 18 meters. As we hear this JM Thompson report.
Heavy rainfall is being experienced in several parts of the country due to the effects of the southwest monsoon, with rain pouring non-stop over the past week. Reports of flooding have been coming in from all over, especially in flood-prone areas. Local governments and various government agencies are closely monitoring the situation to ensure residents are safe amidst the continuous rain. The alarm status of Marikina River was lowered to first alarm at 1 o'clock early this morning. However, due to the continuous downpour, the water level rose once again and is now at second alarm status. The local government of Marikina remains on standby to monitor the impact of the heavy rains in the city. Marikina City Mayor Maan Teodoro and 1st District Representative Marcelino Teodoro are also closely monitoring the situation to be able to immediately provide assistance to residents affected by the bad weather. Cleanup operations by the local government are also underway in several areas to help speed up the recession of floodwaters in the city.
Ang mga personnel natin ngayon ay hindi lang in full alert, kundi talagang in motion na sila, no? Nakahanda naman lahat. Pati ang mga evacuation natin, yung protocol ay in place at lahat ng, pati mga volunteer natin dito sa Marikina ay in place na rin. Tumutulong na sila, yung mga supplies natin.
According to the latest update from Marikina City 2nd District Representative Attorney Miro Kimbo, the operations of additional mobile pumps from the DPWH and MMDA are continuing to drain floodwater into Tumana Creek.
Mababa na po yung ilog. Kitang-kita na po yung railing natin, yung sa ating road dike. At kita niyo po tuloy-tuloy po yung pagpapump out ng ating mga non-tubig na nanggagaling sa Tumana Creek. Tuloy-tuloy lang po natin ito gagawin. Laki na nga po nakukonsumong gasolina pero kailangan po talaga.
Meanwhile, several residents along Marcos Alvarez in Las Piñas City noticed that the rainwater receded much faster in their area. Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon ordered to continue dredging operations, cleaning of creeks, and the uninterrupted operation of pumping stations to help lower floodwaters.
So there's a formula. Kailangan natin ng floodgate, dredge, HDPE, pumping station. Last year, lampas tao ba sa GR neto? Kahit paano, hindi umabot sa gutter yung ulan. Just have to replicate in all areas. So it's possible.
The agencies have not stopped coordinating with every city affected by the southwest monsoon to ensure everyone's safety, while operations to lower floodwaters continue, especially in flood-prone areas. JM Thompson for The Nation.